Right now, we believe we have at least 3 fatalities. Oh, I believe that number is going to get larger. We have at least 11 injuries, some of them very significant, that are being treated by local hospitals. I'm not going to speculate about the cause. That's for the NTSB to determine, and do not want to interfere in that in any way. And the other thing I'd say is we'll get more information on the numbers of fatalities. We'll get more information on the number of injuries.
Ayon sa Federal Aviation Administration, pa-take off na ang naturang cargo plane mula sa Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport sa Kentucky patungong Honolulu, Hawaii nang bigla itong bumagsak. Tinatayang nasa 38,000 gallons ng langis ang lulan ng 34-year-old na cargo plane na nagdulot ng malaking sunog malapit sa paliparan. Pansamantala munang isinara ang naturang airport habang inaapula ang sunog at nagsasagawa ng investigasyon sa naging sanhi ng insidente.